Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're here with Drew Cochran, and we're going to be installing some Whiteline bushings into his MB Miata. Drew, why are we doing this?
So the car will stop swaying all over the place, and yeah.
Basically, Drew's been driving this car bone stock suspension. Look at this thing. How's that feel?
It's not bad, but it could be better.
Oh, it can definitely be better. So once Drew gets his first feel of this car on brand new bushings and on some Whiteline sway bars, he's gonna be in love. All right, let's get to it. So how's it been so far, Drew?
Not bad.
Give it a little talk here. Talk about it.
It's pretty easy. It's not hard at all. I can't wait to see the comparison besides the stock and the Whiteline bushings in the car and see how much less it sways and everything else.
So definitely we have an expectation that the car is going to sway a lot less, it's going to move around a lot less, and going to be more controllable. So Drew, at the grand old age of 15, is going to take his Miata and go test this out on the track and give us the impressions of what he feels after all this is done. He's done a couple track days now. He's shown some good promise. The car has been really good. But we really want to see what these suspension upgrades are going to do to his times and to his impressions of the car. How excited are you, Drew?
Very.
All right, that's it for all the Whiteline bushings on the MB Miata. Hopefully you subscribe, like the video, and catch us next time.